So, got the Indian back today from the bike shop getting its 500 mile, actually 1200 mile service done to it. Only had the bike since May. It is now July. I've done a few things, as you can tell. So today, what I want to do is look at dressing up the side of the bike a little bit. So I saw this on one of the forums, this idea rather. What this is a belt buckle. So just your ordinary Indian belt buckle. I'm not so big into belt buckles. I am big into Indian, obviously. But I think what I'm going to do, I think this would be cool because I did see it on a forum, saw another guy do it. I'm just not sure where I'm going to put it yet. The idea is to cut a little nub off here and this part, so in essence ruin the belt buckle and just make this really into a medallion. Reason being is it fits almost perfect right here. So that'd be kind of a cool look. The other thing I was thinking of is if I came over to the other side of the bike, same thing, but just attaching it right here, dressing up the frame a little bit. So I think it's a cool idea. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet, but we're going to go over to the workbench and I'm going to try to make this belt buckle into a medallion. So stay tuned. So I've got the belt buckle and I've got a new Dremel kind of tool that I picked up on Amazon. I'll leave the link to this and even the tool, and so you guys can see what I used. If you guys need to buy a similar, go ahead and click on the link and it'll take you right to it. Alright, let's see if I can not set my house on fire doing this. Okay, so keep in mind, one thing, I shattered the disc, so I'll get to use a different one on that. And also, this gets extremely hot when you're working on it. So let me get another disc. We'll continue. Tough belt buckle. Alright, I got that piece off. I'm starting to make some progress. Yeah, look at that. Get off. Okay, so got that part cut, this part cut. Obviously there's a pretty big burr there. I'm gonna put another piece, another end on this thing, and I'll try to smooth it out so I don't scratch the holy hell out of everything. And then I want to get it smooth enough where I can get some adhesive here and put it on the frame. So let me start working on this. Okay, so now I'm going to try to get the burrs off of here, smooth it down a little bit. Okay, that's it. Now we have one X belt buckle. It's now a medallion. And I'm going to go look at my motorcycle and see where to put it. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I picked out a spot where I want it. What I'm using now is Gorilla Glue. So we'll see how well this works. It's a Gorilla double-sided mounting tape. It is supposed to be weatherproof. Holds up to 15 pounds, which just is nowhere near 15 pounds. And it's supposed to go in extreme weather. So what I'm doing is I'm putting some around here. I'm going to trim it with a razor blade so that you can't see it. And I might build up a couple layers in the middle here because this is recessed, as you can see. Just try to get a nice smooth flat surface to mount to. So alright, so I'm going to trim this. You don't need to watch this whole thing. I'll trim it, get it all cleaned up, and then we'll put it on the bike in a second. Okay, so I've trimmed with the razor blade. I've trimmed all of the adhesive around here. So now I've got a double layer in the middle, which I don't know if it's going to be high enough. Might need a triple layer on that. So I've got a layer all the way around the rim here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to assess this. I might have to raise this one more layer of tape up, and then what I'll do is take all the backing off, select the place that I'm going to put it on the bike, put it against there and hold it there for a little bit, and then when I get done with that, I'll show you guys where I put it on the bike. And here's the finished product. This is my 2020 Power 20 and Sage Smoke, and there's the medallion, which is actually a belt buckle, but I think it looks pretty cool. It's on there pretty good. It's on there really good. So the idea with the Gorilla Glue is, or the Gorilla Tape, is it's gonna hold, hopefully really well. If it doesn't, I'm out, I don't know what, 25 bucks. If it does hold, then great. And I think I can always get it off there and some Goo Gone, clean up enough if I don't like it later or if I want to move it. So I might actually get another one. And the original thought was to put it right here because that circle is perfect. I think it would look really cool there. The only thing that was weird is that the Indian face is facing this way. Down here, it's facing this way. Not a huge deal. It still looks pretty cool, but yeah, just figured I would start off with matching it. Right now, the Indian head here on the bag, on my belt buckle, on the tank. Anyway, just a cool, small, cheap mod. Again, I'll leave the link in the description to this video where you can get the belt buckle, where you can get the tool I used, and that's it. Like and subscribe.